Hi. Who is there? Sailendra is there. Sailendra, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Murugan, how are you?
Yeah, good. Smita, Smita is yet to join, it seems. Okay.
Murugan,
Yes.
I sent you a mail on some scenarios. So did you get a chance to look at that mail?
Yeah, I had a chance to look at that mail, but I could not get the time to reply. So I will reply to your mail. Yeah.
Okay.
I just saw the mail. Yeah.
Okay. So in the meantime, so I tried to do some scenarios for exchanges. So I need your feedback because I created the master data and everything in our system in the office, not this system which we use in the class. So I created the master data and everything. So how do I share my screen?
No, you can't share it now. You go to be made. Then you need to. What we will do is, I think, since Shailendra is also there, we will first finish the class, then we will spend some time with you. I think that would be better. Right?
So you want to do the TSW class first and then look at exchanges?
Yeah, and then yes, right. Because two people are there now, you and Shailendra, so Shailendra can be freed by the time. If you schedule the class, then you can look at your this one.
No, I think this would be helpful even for him.
Yeah, Murugan, so this is what I was going to say, that if Prashant and you are okay with it, then after the class, I don't mind being online and going through the scenarios that you and Prashant discussed.
Okay, no problem. So we will finish the class, then we will discuss that, no problem. Yeah. You can be online. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
No, I was just thinking, since we are waiting for Smita.
No, we are not going to wait for her. The time is up. So we will start the class. We will share the recording with her. Yeah, we are not going to wait for her. It's already time, no? Yeah. She sent any mail, anything? Any message?
Not yet.
Karthik was trying not to reach her. Karthik. Let me see whether I got any message. If there is any message, okay, otherwise we will proceed with the class. Yeah. She sent a message, she is not joining today. So we can share the recording with her.
Okay.
So all of you are organizer, you can start the recording. So where are we now? Yeah, we started a TSW session. So TSW basics we have seen. We will see this one today TSW master data. You can see as per the course schedule now. We are in the second session of TSW. Tomorrow is the third session of TSW, next session. So once TSW is over, you will feel that almost the course is complete, because RLM, PRA, JVA and all is theory discussions. Even integration aspects are just discussions. Team structure, project management, sample affairs and all those things are discussions. So what I suggest is, like Prashant is doing, Shailendra, you also please start practicing.
Okay.
So after the sessions, after once the sessions are over, our communication will be directly by mail. So generally, so the online sessions will be, once the classes are over, online sessions will not be there. So via email we will be communicating each other. So what I suggest is at least in our system, what you do is whatever we done, at least you please practice. That is my sincere request. If you are, like Prasant is doing some new scenarios, okay, that is up to his capacity. Everybody is having their own caliber level. But what basic minimum I require from this session is please practice in our system at least what we have done in the session and come back with the questions. We are left with, I think, we apart from today 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 3, just 8 classes. Okay, that is the status of our course. Yeah. I think Prasant is taking some extra care and to do other something. But before doing that, please practice our whatever we are teaching. Then you go for next level, what you are doing, all these things. This is same thing applicable for Smida also. Yeah. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, you should not feel that you have not taken back anything. That is our concern. Okay. So I tell this even at the starting of the course, every batch. The course will be playing like anything. We will feel that because we are all working people, we are having so many other commitments and personal commitments. With this, all these commitments, you are attending the course. It just starts and somewhere ends. So before you realize that it is time, course is completed. So be cautious on the practical aspects. Okay. Okay, we will start today with TSW master data. After this master data, we will spend some time with the Prasant issue. Yeah. So just to recap on the master data, what we started, you see we took this example the other day, pipeline example. We saw 3 terminologies, transport system, location and partner roles. So transport system is basically the pipeline system, location is these refineries, and the partner roles are whether they are supplier, receiver, all those things are partner roles. So this now we are going to see how to create these 3, and this will be you also will be practicing also online hands-on now, depending on your time availability. Okay. So you go through logistics, sales and distribution, bulk scheduling, master data. Here you see the details for creating transport system, node location, partner roles. So first I will show existing master data, then we will create one, and then you also can create. These are the things we are going to see for these 3 master data now. Transport system, O4 TT create, O4 to U change, O4 to U display. First I will show how a transport system looks like. See, this is a transport system, crude oil pipeline. Here do you hyphen pipe. Okay, this is the shipping type is obviously pipeline, mode of transport also pipeline. You see, this transport system are captured by using in-transit plant concept. What is the in-transit plant? The transport system, whether it is pipeline, ship or marine, anything, they are all stock holding objects. They are natively represented by plant. So what we will do, practically we create a plant and make them in transit so that they represent this. So if you know for this transport system who is the shipper, carrier, minutes of measure, all those things you can give. The tolerance, quantity tolerance, percentage tolerance. Obviously any transport system is subject to various tolerance levels that you can give. Pipeline data, material sequence. Material sequence is the sequence in which we need to send the materials into the transport system. I will show one more transport system. Flight 00. This is a marine. Marine means ship. Again that also they got captured as entrance plant. When you are doing the modeling, actually what you will do is you will create a new plant for this purpose and then assign that plant here. That's what you will do. Default. And I will show one more transport system. TSW marine. So somebody has created a transport system for INTR IN01. This is also marine. Okay. So what we will do? First I will create one plant for this purpose and then we will use it. Enterprise structure. I hope you all know how to create the plant. So we go GP011 up to GP11 somebody has created. I will create one GP12.
So, Murugan, how is this plant different from the other plant which you created, which we used for sales orders and other things?
Yeah, we are going to mark this plant as in transit plant. First I am creating the plant. GP12. Then storage location for the plant. GA12. Industrial solution oil and gas downstream. TSW. Okay. You see, I will come to the configuration. Yeah. First we will create this. Yeah. O4TT. So I am creating a pipeline PIPE 172. Pipeline shipping type. GP12, GL12. And we don't know all these things, but I can give you a quantity tolerance or percentage tolerance. So I can say 3% plus or minus. The tolerance applicable for the quantity. And pipeline data, cycle duration. What is cycle duration? Cycle duration is once you put the product in the one end of the pipeline, how much it takes time to reach the other end. So I can put 1 day. The rates are volumes. Maximum rate, minimum rate, everything is there. Liter. Minimum rate 100. Operating rate 500. Velocity is rate of change in the rate. So, maximum velocity 1000. City 200. Volume, how much is the volume, maximum volume this pipeline have? 5,000, 5 lakh, 50 lakh or 5 million. Minimum volume 1 million. Liters 7. If we go multiple materials for this pipeline, we can do the average leave it. So I am creating a, I am saving this pipeline now. PIPE 172. So I created a pipeline now. So it is clear now. So I created a pipeline. So what is next thing I can do? Next thing is location. So I will show some locations ID. See, you see, we are seeing location MRN, BDRP, SSR and TSW. So Frankfurt. This is a Frankfurt. There is a terminal for the company. So Frankfurt terminal is there. Then country, time zone, everything is there. Some TSW data, where it is origination, destination, everything. These things you go see as part of MRN itself. Which transport system it is attached. What are the partner roles? Okay. We'll show one more location. So here it is a terminal. So I will create one location. It is same way as you have created. I think you practiced, all of you practiced this as part of Amaran. Same way it is being done. LOCN 172. This is the transport system. LOCN 172 location. Location type. I will make it again a terminal. So this is origin and destination location. The rates for this location also you can give if you want, if you know the rates, volumes, everything. Property number, registration number for the property. Hierarchy is not applicable now. Transport system partner role we will see later. First we will save this location. So I created a location now. LOCN 172. It is basically a terminal. Now what I have to do next? Go back to the transport system. Change it. Pipe 172 is the transport system. Enter. Here you see a button called locations. Give it here. What is our location? LOCN 172. And whether this is origin location or destination location you need to indicate. What is origin location? What is destination location? Origin location means, or destination location means, with respect to the transport system. So what is our transport system? Our transport system is the pipeline. Now we will have to see whether this system is here, this location is a receiver or supplier to the pipeline. If it is receiving some product from the pipeline, that is called destination. If it is supplying something to the pipeline, that is called origin. Enter. I am making it origin and destination because this terminal can receive or supply the product. Now,
Murugan, can you speak a bit louder?
yeah, okay. I am saving it. I saved it. Now we will see whether I can give the materials here. Yeah. Locations I have given, transport system materials, regular 00. No. Yes. It is not taking regular 00 because regular 00 need to be extended for this plant. So what is our plant? GP12, transfer location is GA12. Okay. So what I will do, I will extend regular 00. GP12, not for this. I need what? Plant data. Yeah. These three views. GP12. I think it should come from there. Yes. Yes. GP12, GL12, GNSO, G1. GP01 copy from G1L1, GNSO, G1. Enter. Because we have not done the assignment part. At the time of creation, assignment has not been done. Remember we created that enterprise structure, definition we did. Assignment we did not do. Yes. GIL company code, GP12. Save it. Yeah, just give me a minute, I'm getting some call. So again I will extend the material. 701 regular. So I will share this material. Transport system, change it. Okay. Regular 00. Now this material is taken. Now you see minimum details. Planning type, start project international users, rolling period, 1 day, days in the past 3 days, 5 days, see what I have done. So first I created here transport system. Later I created a location, then assigned the location to the transport system. Then assign the materials for the transport system. Okay. Now the transport system and the location, these details are completed now. Next, partner role. Here you see the partner role. So what is the partner role? Partner role means where that location, the transport system or suppliers or receivers, all those things are defined by partner roles. For example, if you take the plant to GP01 or something, they already defined a partner role. See, GP01 is a plant, it is acting as a supplier in these transport systems. Now what we have done, we have created a plant now. So we will do what is for that. Create the partner role for that plant. GP12. Oh, it is already, we are using it as a transport system, right? So we can't do anything for that. See, if we want, we can create one more plant and then do something. I will create one more plant. One time the partner role is assigned means next time you can't do create. That is one point. Next time you can do only changes. Same otherwise if you want to use GP01 as that is one, we will see whether we can use GP01 partner role, we can change it. Yes. Whether we can, GP01 can be a supplier. Our pipeline is pipe 173, 172. Location I will give.
So the
Location
plant can't be,
LOCN 172.
so the plant can't be an in-transit plant here, right?
It can't be in transit plant here. Yeah. It is not allowing, so we need to do it. I will create my plant. That be easier for me. Enterprise structure, definition, logistic general, plant, GP01, copy, GP13, same thing, save it. So I created a plant newly, GP13. I create a partner role for this plant now. But I will not yet ascend. Yeah, that will be a problem. Assignment, plant to company code, plant GP13 is going change mode, new entries, GIA, GP13, save it. Create again, plant GP13. In that plant is basically the pipeline. I can make it a supplier or receiver, so I will make it receiver always. Transport system pipeline 172, location LOCN 172. Yes. So what does this mean is, the location 172 is linked to transport system 172, pipe 172, and this location is a receiver, acting as a receiver as far as this transport system is concerned. That is what the meaning of this. Save it. Now I created and shown you all the three things. How to do the transport system, location, and the partner. So if you want to do newly, you go to keep the data ready. Data, which data? You want to model a transport system pipeline, means you need to go plant and transit for a location, all those things. Make them in the enterprise structure, then you come here. So this is the way to create all the three things. I think today you will not be able to do hands-on because today I am running out of time. So what I will do, I will show this theory part again. Now you see the transport system. What are it is doing? Transport system is a single in-transit stock holding object for the inventory management. It can be a fixed supply route, supply region, or mode of transport. For example, it can be ship, pipeline, rail, anything. It links different locations in the supply chain. Functions: it assigns in-transit plan to the nomination header, processes shipper and carrier business partner in nominations, defines range of origin and destination location. This we have seen. Location assignment: locations are assigned to the transport system. Partner role assignments are also assigned. Materials are assigned. These things we have seen. This is a transport system screen. Location is a fixed point on the supply chain where goods are handled, loaded or discharged, and where business partners or stock holding objects exist. The business location master data represents physical locations at which a company gets particular business interest, such as customer, vendor, terminal, tank farm, or both. So transport system assignments we got done, partner role assignment we got done, material assignment we got done. Now if you go to our transport system and see, these assignments will be perfect. Partner role, how to create them, everything is done. I will go back. Go here, click on the locations. Which locations are there? Then TS materials. See, the materials are there. Yes. Next PPT is nomination ticketing. You will see that next session. Then I have created a document how to create the transport system. Steps, master data, process we are going to discuss. Yeah. These are the steps in the TSW. First create a transport system, then plan for relocation, extend it, assignment, hope you all received the TSW material.
Yes. Yes.
This is the prerequisites for TSW master data. Okay, I think these things we can go through. So what we done today is how to create the transport system, how to create the location, and how to assign the location to the transport system, how to assign the materials to the transport system, how to create the partner role linking transport system to locations. These things we have learned today. Any doubts so far? Anything? Shailendra, are you okay so far?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. I think with this you can stop today recording. So what we will do now, we will spend some time on Prashant is having some query, right? We spend some time for that. I will log off from the system.
So Murugan,
Yeah.
you can stay in case if you want to show something based on my question, you can.
No, whom? You are telling Shailendra, right?
No, I'm telling you. So in case if you want to show something.
No. My this one is master data part is over. I want to see your system now. You told no, some issue is there.
Okay. No, it's not a system. I just want to show a slide. I just want to. But how do I share my screen?
I have made you presenter.
Okay.
Now we can see your screen.
Stop.
Yeah, we are seeing your desktop. Yeah.
Okay. So here we had this in the class, right? The 5 steps in the exchange process.
Yes. Same
Murugan?
thing. Right. Yeah.
Yes.
I am able to hear you. Yeah.
So yeah. Okay. So exchange setup, I did the whole thing. I created company code, blah blah blah, everything, and it is working. I created an exchange agreement also. So this is all based on our system in the office. I'm not able to log on to the system because I'm working from home now. But that's the reason why I took the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now the second phase, so you see here the exchange operations, right? The second box. So I created the exchange operations flowchart. So this is where I need your help or your feedback. Are you able to see read the steps?
I think if we can make it as a slide, so it will be better. Or increase the size. Yeah. Make it as a slide, so right? Yeah. Yeah.
Is it better?
Yes.
Okay. So here what I try to show is kind of the exchange operations. Now say you have our company Husky Oil and then we have an exchange partner Suncor Energy which is in a different province in Ontario, and we are in Alberta, and this Air Canada which is Husky's customer is in Quebec, which is a province close to Ontario. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So the first step is, I'm trying to create the scenario. I need your feedback. The first step is I'm creating a sales order. So based for the demand I get from Air Canada.
No. Before that, have you set up the exchanges? Those things are over?
Yes. That is part of. So here you see phase 1, right? So if you go up in phase 1, I created this exchange agreement.
Right. So
Okay.
purchase contract, sales contract, linking everything. Okay.
Correct. So here I have done it. So exchange setup, the first box I have done it. So which is here. So you see this exchange partner, customer, material, everything.
Right.
So yeah. So I created a sales contract and a purchase contract. And now I am in the second process, the second step, where I am going to create this kind of all the transactional stuff.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing is I created a sales order. I create a sales order for Air Canada. Okay. Then the next step is I create from the exchange agreement. Husky creates a purchase order with respect to the purchase contract in the exchange agreement.
Okay.
Okay. Then the step 3 is I create a sales order with respect to the sales contract in the exchange agreement. Step number 3.
Okay.
Okay. So based on the PO issued from the partner, which is Suncor Energy, the goods receipt is done, which is from the partner to the exchange plant. So this box number 4 should have been slightly. Let me just move it here. The box number 4 is oh sorry, I can't move it here. It's an image. So the box number 4 is slightly towards the left on this line, on the blue line.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, then the customer generates the delivery note to the customer, which is step number 5.
Okay.
And then the goods issue is done, which is where step number 6 from the exchange plant. Then the partner physically moves the goods in the truck, which is step number 7. Then step number 8 is invoice, and step number 9 is payment. So I haven't done this all the 9 steps. I plan to do it tomorrow. But does it make sense? Is it the right sequence of steps?
Okay. See, step number 3, what you are telling,
Yeah.
is not needed for this scenario.
Okay.
Why? Because sales order will come when we are going and taking from Husky Energy. That time that scenario will come. So that step will not arise here. All other steps are okay. You are getting the order from, assume that you are Husky. You are getting order from Husky, somehow one of your customer, and based on you are already having purchase contract with these people, Sankar. So you give the purchase order to them, and they give you the material, and they confirm that everything is okay. Step number 3 is not a part of this scenario. It will come on the reverse side, but it is shown in the picture because to understand that both purchase and sales are happening between the same companies, between the two companies. That's why it is shown. But step number 3 not needed. All other steps are okay. Yeah.
But in step
and also step number 9. Step number 9 involves settled based on the customer payment is not there because this is exchange operations. They do a process called netting on the reconciliation.
Okay.
So there the settlement is happening between company to company.
If the company to company is happening, then
this is the customer payment also is happening, right? Yeah. You are talking about customer payment, right?
Yeah.
Then you missed out the other step. After that, these things happens. Exchange reconciliation and netting happens between company to company. That is
okay. Which is between step 8 and 9.
But in fact, I think you are just talking about phase 2, right? Phase 2 is this one only, right?
Yeah.
What you have done is right, everything right, except step number 3 is not needed.
Okay, so if step number 3 is not needed, then okay, just because we are doing the netting, step number 3 is not needed.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay.
All other things are okay.
Yeah,
From the Husky Energy point of view, sales of Husky's customers. Yeah. Okay. Step number 3, when it will come into picture to clarify your doubt. Okay.
So here it is buy sell. There is other type of exchange type, right? What is it? Buy sell. Here it is borrow loan.
No, here, not
So
borrow loan.
buy
Here,
sell.
no, same example if I take, okay. Sunkar Energy, their customer is coming and taking from your plant, from your terminal. That time this step number 3 sales contract will be appearing because you are going to sell to somebody, whether it is Sunkar Energy or their customer, you are going to sell.
Okay, got it. So in that case,
that scenario only step number 3 will come. That all the steps will be different, but that scenario is different. Yeah.
Okay, so got it. So what I'll do is either I will add one more customer box so that I keep step number 3, or else I'll delete step number 3.
Better you delete step number 3 for this scenario, because if you try to add something, it will be confusing. For the step number 3, if you want to make it phase 2 itself, you add one more scenario. This is sales scenario of Husky. This is Husky Energy customer taking from Sunkar Energy. Take the scenario for Sunkar Energy customer taking from Husky.
Okay.
That time you will see that sales order is working. Needed. That time that is needed. Yeah. Is there Sailendra? Are you clear on the question and discussions?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we are clear. Okay. Yeah.
So on step number 4, the moment type is 101, right?
Yes.
Okay. On step number 6, what is the moment type generally?
This is, I think it is generally 501. I need to check it up. I think it is 501. Yeah.
Okay.
Moment, because it is notional, this one, right? Not the actual goods issue.
Okay.
Yeah. Check it up. Okay, you can practice it. Your system is what? Husky Energy, yeah?
Yeah.
What you are using. Okay. Okay, Prasanth, all your things are okay only, except that one part. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Correct it, and we can discuss. And one more thing, tomorrow we may not have session because tonight here there is a festival here in India. They are calling it as Shivaratri. I don't know whether you are aware of that or not. You all know Shivaratri festival?
Yes.
Prasant, you know?
Yes, I know.
So tonight, whole night we are supposed to be awake. And, obviously, I don't know whether I can.
Oh, okay.
Morning. Let me see. Okay. Anyway, I will update you by mail. Okay, everybody.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I think we will meet. I will update regarding tomorrow's session by mail. Yeah. Bye.